Hi, thank you for stopping by Heartjoy, where you will discover your inner peace. No matter where you are, physically, mentally, emotionally, whether you're across the globe, or depressed, or even heartbroken, you will discover your inner peace. As long as you are willing, you found the right place. You may wonder how. Well, I offer seminars, short and full, group sessions or virtual groups, and one-on-one. I recommend that you peruse the site and see what speaks to you. You may choose one or any combination thereof. Be sure and get your copy. You can pre-order it now of my new book, What's Love Got to Do with Anything? And as I say, there's a special offer for pre-ordering. It should be available early March, maybe mid-March. We're trying to get it out there. And it's just the publishing time. So, but reserve your copy, like I said, at a wonderful price, great discount. And there's some other, if you like the book, you can come back and get some promotional goods to spread the word. And in the meantime, I look forward to hearing from you and meeting you and hearing from you. Thank you for stopping by heartjoy.co. Have a wonderful day.